Hi everybody, and welcome to this really quick video about the trading card generator, which is a fantastic online free tool for you and your students to use. I think an obvious application for this tool would be for something like English, studying maybe character development or characterization, or even identity, and creating a trading card set for the characters within a text. You could also use it in something like science. I've seen students use it when they're studying cells, and they actually created trading card sets for all the different organelles within a cell. You could use it for historical figures, musicians, artists, and the list goes on and on. So all you need to do to find this tool is to Google Trading Card Creator and find the website by Read, Write, Think. Now it then has a really great overview of the tool and some applications and resources for each year level. But what we're interested in here is clicking the Get Started button. Now here all you're doing is typing in your name. In this case it would be the student's name, obviously, and they then get started on their first card. So you can see that there's really not a lot of the work that has to be done at the start to set this up. Students just plug in their name and they start straight away, which is great. So in this, I'm going to pretend that I'm one of my year 9s and we are talking about the characters within Anne Frank's diary. Typed in the character's name, she is a real person, and you can see then I'm given a card to customize. So you can add an image and you can customize each of these sections here. You can also edit the topic, okay, so you can change that as well. And you can then flip the card over and add here. Once you've finished editing, you click this button here and you then add cards for as many cards as you would like within that trading card set. Once you're finished, you're clicking this Finish button here and deciding what you would like to do with them. I get my students to print from this. So I make sure that they go through, edit their work, and then print them out in color, cut them out, and then finish them off in hard copy as well. Obviously you're given these options as well, and just remembering that because they haven't had to log in or create accounts for any of this, it's unlikely that if it crashes it's going to remember their information here. You can save, but it's probably best to do this in a lesson where they can try and finish it in a double. So I hope this has been helpful. Good luck, and I really hope you use this with your students. Bye.